Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Geared Up. Today we're gonna go check out Dusty Robotics, that cool robotic layout tool that you might have seen on other videos, but this time we're gonna get up close and personal, and in fact, the man behind the camera is gonna take charge this time. He's gonna hook up with some folks in the field on this massive data center project and get all the details for us. So without further ado, let's go check it out.
All right, I'm out here with Kaityln Ellis, and we're checking out the Dusty Robotics system today. What is the Dusty Robotics platform?
So Dusty Robot is a robot, and it'll come and print lines on the floor, like all the layout lines for when they're setting up things, like when they need to drill holes or they're setting walls, things like that.
Before Dusty came in, how is that typically done on a construction site?
They'll measure like from existing walls or existing points, but it's not as accurate as Dusty.
Take me through the parts and pieces of Dusty Robotics. How does it work?
So we have a tripod over there with the laser scanner on top, and then we have the Dusty Robot, and the tripod laser will communicate with Dusty, and it'll get very accurate points for it to print. It'll have control points on the floor, but then we come in and we take those control points and we use the laser to look at it and then verify it on the map, and it'll like scan it and say like, okay, this is where I am. And once we have a few control points, it knows exactly where it is.
What are some of the different things that you're printing on the floor here at this building?
So we print walls, we print like hack feet,
Like mechanicals?
mechanical things.
Okay, Kaityln, you gave us a quick overview of the platform. How does this thing actually work? Take me through what we got on this iPad.
So on the iPad, we have the map, the layout map, and you can see exactly where the robot is, and you can see where the laser scanner is on here, as well as all of the different control points that we scanned. So on here I can manually control it, so I can like it back up, go forward, like turn, all of those things.
How tight of tolerances are we talking about? Are we talking about like eighths of an inch?
So we're about like 30 seconds out of each.
Wow.
Or even down to like 0, like it can be spot on accurate.
Okay, well let's see some walls getting printed.
So I would select it and then hit print.
So tell me about the different types of lines that was produced.
So they'll look different, like sometimes they'll have different markings like dashes or dots, and then like it's also labeled right here, it says mech or mechanical. Then it can do like X's, it can do different words and numbers, so you can print all sorts of things.
All right, well, thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Kaityln. It was really cool for you to drill down on those details and show us how that thing works. And for those of you at home, if you have any questions, hit that comment section up. And as always, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check us on the next episode of Geared Up.